For all you Denver transplants out there, I have the 3 top concert venues in Denver, and this is non-negotiable. Coming in at number 3 is an amazing new venue in Denver located in RiNo. With a disco ball you will not forget, a well-designed acoustic space, Mission Ballroom is a must-see and a great location. At number 2, enjoy an amazing outdoor venue with rolling green hills, a great view of the mountains, located in Greenwood Village. Fidler's Green is a Denver staple for any alternative rock or indie artist. And finally, at number 1, the world-renowned outdoor venue has a rich history of bringing the biggest names in music. And it's said you have not made it as an artist until you've sold out the legendary Red Rocks Amphitheater. Did I leave off your favorite? As far as the best places to see a concert in Denver, let me know in the comments below. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. See ya.